Hello, people! Here we come to the final process of cleaning the ceilings, surfaces, and fittings. Tidying up an area will likely require you to place any used cloth to its proper place or the storage room. Make sure you don't leave any used cloth in a public area. Make sure that there is no remaining debris, detergent stain, residual dirt, or any other waste products. Like the cleaning cloth, the way you put all the equipment must be in the proper place as recommended. Make sure that you have moved the collected rubbish into the external rubbish disposal place. Always double-check in case there are still chemical spills remaining from the cleaning activity. For the final touch, make sure that the entire condition of the area is totally clean and dry. The goal is to provide safety and comfort to guests and other staff members. By following those steps, you have applied the correct practices of the international cleaning standards, nurturing you to grow.